What is that? Alright, so I'm doing this video in the bathroom. It's like 12 a.m. on a train from Budapest to Istanbul. And it's 38 hours. And I've been on here since 3 a.m. and I gotta catch another train. So technically this first train is 15 and the next one is whatever equals 38. But Budapest was nice, and now I'm just on this train and it's not the funnest experience. I might just finish this video later and go sit down. But I've been making beats all day and it's hot. And just a heads up, Europe doesn't care about Eastern Europe like they care about Western Europe. So the more east you go, the worse things will get. Also the cheaper things will get. But yeah, so I'll be back later. Bro, yo, shit just went from.
It's a shit show. Look at his hand. Look at his hand. Put it on your hand. A shit show. It's a shit show. He was digging in his booty. At least he's making it to Istanbul.
All right, this is the continuation from yesterday. Fuck, I'm gonna go ahead just.
He's eating doo-doo.
Shit tastes fire. Alright, so Nutella spilled all over the juice, man. And I got the knobs at Subway.
Yeah,
like,
yeah. Hey, man, but
oh shit, no.
Just pick that shit up.
Okay, put the cap back on.
Good for now. Salvage what you can now.
So, alright. So now I can talk to you in the train. This is train 2, 18 hours. It's 9 a.m. headed to Istanbul. I wish I had my do-rag on. Bro, I feel like I got these pimples on that train.
On that train, bro. You did. Same shit happened to me.
So we are officially in Eastern Europe, and bro, they clearly don't care about over here.
You know, fuck.
It is
Nigga, the water in the bathroom did not work. The water. The only thing that worked was the flush.
there was no, bro. It wasn't when I went in there. It wasn't even like toilet paper to wash.
Yeah.
Like to wash, like to wipe.
Make sure you
So
observe the situation before you take a shit.
yeah. But now we're on train from Bucharest to Istanbul. It's 18 hours. We got the sleeping car. It's gonna be 15 euro. Haas is upset.
It smells like a Civil War museum. Have you ever been in New Orleans? Matter of fact, any museum in America, it stinks in this motherfucker.
To me, this is 100 times better than the last one, because last time I literally couldn't even sit in my seat, bro, because the dude smelled like toxic bio waste. Like, that bad. You see, I said I got the pimples. Like, I wish I had my do-rag so I could just put my do-rag on and protect my head. I didn't even bring my freaking jacket. But yeah, sleeper car, so at least now it's just us. We got a window. Also, the last one was super hot.
It got cold at night though.
It was okay at night, bro.
Nigga, I got free. That's why I put my hood in. It was cold.
Dang.
And when the sun came back out,
It was super hot. I was sweating.
blazing.
So, yeah, we got another 18 hours of this. And a Nutella bust. And there is no... and there's no... I didn't have a fork last time, so I was making Nutella peanut butter sandwiches with the caps in my water bottle, which I also bought as a sparkling water because, ta-da, Europe loves bubbly water. So, now we here. I got the knife, Nutella busted. Now I got Subway, so hopefully that lasts me for 24 more. I don't even know what to vlog about right now. But I'm just vlogging because this is a character building day ×2. I'm in here, my hair all messed up. It's 1500. You don't even got your phone. Well, I think it's 1500. So that means that I have 12 hours till I'm off this train. I'm no longer in my sleeper car. So the train got fixed, or I guess electricity to it, don't know. They said it wasn't broken, but it didn't have enough electricity to power all of the AC and the lights and everything, so the power was out. We stopped in Bulgaria and we crossed the border. They took our passports. It takes about 30 minutes to do that. Now we're in Bulgaria. Excuse me. But I'm back in the regular car. The air works in here. There's still no power outlets though. So I can't charge my phone or my laptop or anything. But it's air. Also, someone took a fat doodoo in the sleeper car bathroom, and I don't know if the flush didn't work because no electricity, but it's now smelling up the entire sleeper car. The air came back on, but it's still pretty hot, and now it smells like straight sewer, like crazy. So I've reconvened. We're high right up here in the regular car. This air, it smells like regular air, not sewer biohazard waste. And yeah, I'm gonna drink my bubbly water, take probably another nap, and that's it. Oh, I also get these pimples. I don't know, I didn't have these yesterday, but I think it's from like the train. I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe it's just because my diet. Don't mind my hair or my liner. We'll get a haircut when we touch back down in the States, man. I was gonna try to do it, but I just might make myself look crazier. That's all I got. I feel like every time I come to y'all from this day, the vlog just gets more and more like interesting. So currently, do you know where we are? I'm in that place. If anybody knows what that is, tell me. Definitely seems kind of Russian. But our train disconnected our locomotive. We're the only people on the train. It seems kind of like a scary movie. Nobody's on here. I'm crossing the train tracks currently. Here. Somewhere right outside of Bulgaria. No, we're still in Bulgaria. I'm going to get water, snacks.
Thank you.
Bad news, I don't think you can use your card.
Oh,
It's
shit.
only coins.
Only coins?
Yeah,
On both of them?
I think so.
Maybe you can ask. There's somebody behind the desk, behind the reception.
Oh yeah, maybe they.
Oh yeah, there's some people working.
Okay. I'll check. Thank you. All right, well. Bro, I didn't even walk through the train by myself, let alone go upstairs by myself. If you want me to come with, I mean, just let me check this out. Oh, man. Well, the water is definitely no card, and I don't have whatever cash that is. I'm assuming Bulgarian. Well, I'ma follow. I don't have no way of protection. Nope. Yes, I do. I got your parents' numbers, your sister's numbers. Got everybody's number. Oh, that's how the one upstairs. I mean, and the other shit was. Oh no, it looked like a regular bathroom. But if you close the door, it's gonna get so dark. Well, yeah, currently locked in Bulgaria for I don't know how long. Why didn't you just go to the one in the bathroom? You got a dookie shoe?